Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, plug in or pair and set the source to a clean, lossless test track at a consistent level, such as 0 dBFS or 75% volume. Once paired, make sure any sound enhancements are off and EQ is flat. This reveals the true character. Use a wired connection or high-quality Bluetooth codec if available, because wireless compression alters results. Finally, inspect tips and fit. Seal and comfort directly affect bass and imaging, so correct fit before you proceed. Now run the core tests. Play a slow frequency sweep and pink noise to judge extension and resonance from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. While doing that, listen for harsh peaks or dips, because these indicate tuning faults. Next, play mono cues and binaural imaging tracks to verify channel balance and soundstage precision. Also run a video sync or clap test to detect latency. Finally, probe distortion by increasing volume in steps and noting when artifacts appear. Finish with real-world material. Listen to familiar vocal mixes, orchestral passages, and low-bass electronic tracks to confirm clarity, separation, and bass control. Once done, compare the earbuds to a trusted reference pair to calibrate impressions, and check battery life plus button or touch responsiveness. If something's off, try one key fix. Swap tips and reset them, reset firmware, and test another source. If problems persist, contact support or consider a replacement rather than more tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.